Hello viewers, hope you all guys are very well. Today I'm going to show you how to download easily uTorrent. So let's start the video, and one thing I'm just telling you, don't skip the video any portions. So keep watch the full videos step by step. So let's start. Just you need to go write uTorrent download. After that you click on the browser, then you will watch the uTorrent websites. You just click on the first website that you are watching here, uTorrent.com/desktop. So click on the link. After that you will see the free download for Windows. Click on here. So you are watching uTorrent exe file is downloading. When download complete uTorrent exe file, then click on here. Then you will show in folder. Just click here. Okay, you are now watching the exe file. Just click right button. Then click run as administrator. After that click yes. Then click next. Then again click next. So here is the license agreement. So you need to click down. So then click the agree button. Install McAfee web advisor. So uncheck mark here. So then click next. Then click again next. Then accept. So then click again next. So click again next. Installing is complete. So now you are click the button of finish. Close the browser and you are watching the user interface of uTorrent. So now I am going to show you these settings. So how you will settings and how you will download a movie faster. First step is going to option here. So click on preference. Then click on connection. Then change the value of 14959. So then click apply. Okay, then you need to go bandwidth. So here you will see the number of connections 250 and 4. So this is the default connections. So you should change this value of 500. So then click apply and then OK. So now I'm going to show you how you download any movie super faster. So you should go now first a website. So I'm downloading a movie using uTorrent. So I'm going to click this link and I'm looking at lots of movie here. So like I'll download this movie. I'll click view details. So I'll click again view details. So you can download any type of pixels here, like 720 100 pixels, 180 pixels, 2160 pixels, 720 pixels, 180 pixels. So like I am downloading 180 pixels Blu-ray. So I'm just clicking here. I'll click again. So you are looking just one uTorrent file downloading here. So click on here, click on show in folder. So then double click here. Then click OK. So your video is downloading now. Click right button here and you are looking bandwidth allocation. So I'm just giving here high. Then again click bandwidth allocations and you need to set up download limit unlimited. So then again bandwidth allocation and set up upload limit. This is the unlimited. You don't need to upload limit unlimited. You just click 25 kbps. Then again check set upload limit, then 10 kbps. So you are looking here is the faster download, super faster. Within 10 to 20 minutes you are getting a new movies full movies. So this is the big videos for you, and you will learn huge things from here. So guys, I hope this video will help you very much. Just click on the subscribe button and ring bell button for the next videos. Thank you very much.